No one's gonna play.
We can cut off the white too?
No, just a little bit. Just the bark. Okay. Get this stuff off down here, okay? Laurel, back up. Back up, Peanut. Back up. Careful.
Because I'm fine.
Okay. No. We got there. Remember? We want to go over here. Just like. Remember? We already got this. We don't want to touch this anymore. We want to get this off.
The wind's blowing me.
Yep, just the bark, not the white. Don't take the white off, take the bark off.
Oh my goodness.
Keep going into the white. Alright.
Total, I could do it so much as great.
Don't angle it. Keep it flat. No. Remember? Flat. Not like this. Like this.
Okay.
Because you'll dip